They want to know what the trick is.
Alright, here we go, everybody. Full race here. Big prizes. Any prize, any size for the winner. When the ball comes down, you roll it back up. First player making all the way across wins. Here we go with the sound of the bell. Number 16 with the ball.
Come on, Kendall! Who is it?
It's going to be a close one. Anyways, we're no cheating. Number 7 wins. The shooter right here in the middle, she gets it. Any prize, any size.
Cheater!
Anyone.
I told you I was gonna win.
What's it gonna be?
Okay, I want. No, don't. No,
It's a
ew.
monkey.
I want.
Big ones.
No.
Geckos, got dogs on fire.
I want the pink dog.
Pink dog.
Dog.
Yeah. You guys.
Get the chihuahua.
Take care of
There you go, big winner here at the Rumble. We're gonna race again.
I like
Giving out
it.
the big ones.
I mean, I cheated a little, like only 2 times. Amber told me a trick and I did it, and then I won my dog.
Have you named him yet?
No, me and Nan will name it. I don't know, Nairn.